Hi all, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra if you've forgotten your PIN code or your pattern, whatever you have. So please do remember, this will wipe all your data and you're going to have to remember your Google account details so you can activate the phone again. So let's get started. For this, you're going to need a data cable plugged into your computer, and you will plug this cable in a phone. Okay, now what you want to do is press down the volume down button and the power button together until the phone goes off. And once the phone goes off, switch your finger to the volume up, but keep holding the power button as well. This may take longer than usual, but please do have patience. It takes a couple of seconds more, but it does go in recovery mode after this. So keep holding. As I said, it takes longer, not a couple of seconds, but way longer. Now, after this, you can release the power button, but keep holding the volume up and the phone is in recovery mode. Now, using the volume keys, the volume down, you will navigate to wipe data factory reset. Confirm with the power button shortly. Once again, you have to go down to factory reset. Confirm with your power button and data wipe is complete. Now you can reboot the phone and you can set it up so you can use it again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.